What's up, you guys? It's Heidi. Today I want to film kind of like an old school YouTube video, which is what's in my bag. Remember when there was a time where every YouTuber was making this type of video, and I did too, and it's been probably like a year or more than a year since my last one, so I thought I'd update you guys on that. To be honest, I don't remember what I showed you last time, so I'm just gonna go right in and show you what I have in my bag right now. I've already showed this bag on my channel before. I did an unboxing video. This is my Rebecca Minkoff messenger bag, and it just looks something like this. If you guys have seen that video, you guys would know. If you guys haven't, I will link it down below in the description box, so feel free to check it out if you guys are interested in this bag. And yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So this is what this bag looks like. You just kind of open it here, and there are two compartments, a big one here and a smaller one right here. For the smaller one, I have some tissues, of course, because I can go without tissues, and I have my hand sanitizer, which is almost out, so gotta get a new one. For the big one right here, I have my umbrella. It has been raining quite a bit here, so better safe than sorry. I have my wallet, and I got this is kind of what I call my essential bag. Yeah, but I'm just gonna show you guys what's inside. I bring these with me almost everywhere I go, unless I have to change into a really small bag and they kind of fit in it. But yeah, anyway, so I got my travel size fragrance, and then I actually have quite a bit of makeup here, so let me just try to get it out. I have like MAC lip liner, my Kiehl's butter stick lip treatment, my Kat Von D liquid lipstick, which again probably almost out. This is already my second one. It's my favorite shade. And then my brow pencil. I have my travel size press powder from Bare Minerals. This is the bare skin one, and again almost out. Got a brush with that, my travel size brush, which is actually dirty. Once I crack open my bag, I just realized so much I actually need to take care of, but I still haven't gotten to it. And I got my tweezer. This is rose gold, so cute. And I got some mints, and then I almost forgot, this is my lip balm. I kind of put this whenever I put on lipstick, before I put on lipstick I mean, or sometimes during the day when I feel like my lips are really dry. I just smack some of these on and, you know, keep them hydrated. And I also got a really dirty mirror that I have been using for 5 or 6 years, maybe even more. Yeah, I actually kind of been looking to replace this, but I haven't found one I really like. So yeah, usually just have my pressed powder with me and the lipstick that I'm wearing. Oh, and usually I put my camera in this big compartment as well, but since I'm filming right now, I gotta have my camera in it and show you guys. But yeah, just thought I'd let you guys know. After closing this, there's actually one more zipper in the bag, and this is usually where I keep my card holder, and then of course my phone, and usually I have my headphones with it, but right now it's over there plugged into my computer because I was editing. But yeah, this is just my phone. That's pretty much it, and this is my bag. Alright, so that's all this video. If you guys like it, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There'll be a new video coming every Saturday, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Until next week, God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!